Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by observing where the door binds and why. First, open and close it slowly, watching hinge pins, strike plate, and sash contact. Mark the high spot with a pencil. Next, remove loose weather stripping to see full clearance and prop the door with a wedge so it won't move as you work. Once done, loosen the top hinge screws slightly to relieve stress. That lets you make small shifts without stripping wood or warping the frame. You continue by aligning the door using the hinges as your control points. First, tighten every hinge screw. If the door still sags, replace top hinge screws with two 3-inch screws driven into the jamb framing to pull the jamb square. If the door still rubs, lift it slightly and insert a thin shim behind the hinge leaf or carefully deepen the mortise with a chisel. Once the hinge alignment is correct, plane the high edge in small passes. You finish by making the latch and strike work smoothly. If the latch hits the plate, loosen the strike screws and shift the plate slightly, or file the opening until the latch seats easily, then tighten with longer screws. Reinstall weather stripping and operate the door through its full range to confirm consistent 1/8-inch clearance. If you still see uneven gaps or sticking, check the frame with a level for twist. If the jamb is warped, replace the jamb or call a professional. This is the single key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.